it's Aaron Halo 18. Here, I think. And I'm making a YouTube video. I'm gonna title it Aaron's Lego Tractor. That's what it's called, a Lego tractor. I don't know what kind it is though. It has like a little bucket on it, and it has a remote control too. And my dad's gonna pick it up and show it. See, there it is. It's got cobwebs on it. That's the Lego tractor. See it on either side. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. I built that with my 62-year-old or 61-year-old man that builds Legos with me. He bought me this tractor for me. He's gonna build me some more, and he's gonna sell it on eBay as well, guys and girls. And I'm making a YouTube video for you, guys and girls. And I'm gonna do this video in segments as well. And I'll stop here. It's hello, I'm back again. I'm gonna tell you that this Lego actually has working motors in it as well. That's why there's a controller that controls the Lego and stuff. See, there it is. That's it right there. It's a pretty badass looking controller, for sure. It's got like a little black receiver things on the top, and it has little Lego pieces on it. And looks like it's not working correctly. And my dad's gonna show the tractor moving. That with the controller, he needs to turn the camera in order to make it move and stuff. See, that's how it moves. And as the bucket on the thing moves up and down, and some goes all the way down to the ground. The bucket goes all the way down to the ground. My dad will roll the bucket down. My dad has to roll the bucket down. It goes all the way down to the ground like that. See how it goes? It can carry stuff too. It's a neat little video. I wanted to show it to you. It's pulling the carpet back. I'm not supposed to pull the carpet back. My dad's gonna try to push the carpet back. It's like a working tractor here. And it almost fell over. Oh no. My dad might get carried away with the tractor here. I guess. My dad's trying to put the carpet back. It's not working so well. No, it's not working. My dad's having a blast with this tractor. It's getting a little silly, I guess. My dad pushed the carpet back. He did it. He's trying to do a victory dance with the Lego. I don't know why he's trying to fix the carpet. It's still a badass looking tractor though. It's gonna tilt over. And this is becoming a long clip here. Guys, this could go on for 4 hours on this tractor thing. Alright, guys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this little tractor of mine. I have to end the video soon here. I have to end the video here soon, guys and girls. My dad won't let me say goodbye in this video for some reason. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys and girls. And don't forget to please rate, comment, like, favorite, subscribe, view, thoughts, and opinions. And I hope you liked it and enjoyed it for your viewing pleasure. Guys and girls, stay tuned for more. And like Gross Robo says, please drink some hot chocolate. And I'll see you all later. And this is Aaron Halo 18 signing off. Goodbye.